is Ms. Len, and I have little Wolfie here to say hello to. This is our first assembly of the year. We're going to be doing an assembly each month virtually until we can come back to school. It is so great to be able to talk to you today. I miss seeing you at school every day. I'm so glad we have an amazing staff of people that are helping in so many ways this year. We have our classroom teachers and our instructional assistants working with you each day online. We have our PE and music teachers that are teaching classes online. And we have a whole bunch of other amazing people that are helping out too, like our office staff and our home coach team and others that are helping getting students and families online to class that might be having trouble. And of course, our kitchen staff is cooking lunches for those picking up each day. And our custodians are keeping the building clean and safe. And of course, Wolfie's just keeping an eye on things. I appreciate every one of these people helping us this year. Everyone has a different job than usual, but we're figuring it out. We all want to have you back as soon as we are able to. Remember that we can all do our part by washing our hands, or paws, and wearing masks as much as we can. Here's my mask that I wear whenever I go out of my office and meet or talk with people. I'm in my office by myself right now, so I'm not wearing it, but I wear it whenever I go out of my office. Have a great day, everyone, and enjoy our first assembly.
Here, I have a fun challenge for you and your family members. This is a game and it's called Candy Catch. What you need is a bowl, okay, of candy. It can be any kind of candy. It can be your favorite, your not favorite. And you need a few other buckets or Tupperware, baskets, whatever you have in your house will work. And then you need at least one partner. So this is something you can do with your family and challenge yourself. Here's how you play the game. You're gonna have a partner, and you and your partner are gonna set a timer for a minute. One of you is gonna stand with your back to the other partner, and you're gonna throw candy over your head, and your partner is gonna try to catch the candy in his or her bucket. Now watch my kids as they attempt to play this fun game. But you when you dance, 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 feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, 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 come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 and ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. Now you've seen how to play Candy Catch. Have fun, have a great time, and enjoy this activity. Take care, and we can't wait to see you. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical.
Hello, Weddle Wolves, Mr. Graham here. My third graders and I are very excited to go over the breathing tool with you today. Let's take a deep breath in and out. All right, I hope you've been working on that so far this month, and we would love to show you what we have learned. So third graders, are you ready? All right, take it away.
I'm feeling rather busy in my body and my head. I'm coming in from recess, or I'm heading off to bed. My blood is moving quickly, and my thoughts are racing here and there. I'm feeling rather anxious, so it's time to sit down and exhale. What can I do to calm myself? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I take a breath and calm myself. I slow my heartbeat, focus my mind. I have control and peace I find. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. I take a breath, I calm myself.
All right, everyone, thanks for joining us. This is our very first assembly committee. I'm excited. We're going to put a great video together for the school to watch. Now, I think the first thing we need to figure out is we need a really great game. And I have some ideas, but I would love to hear what you guys are thinking about it.
I got one.
Dodgeball all the way.
Well,
Dodgeball.
Everyone does something crazy.
No, so I'm trying.
And they go.
So if we're all talking,
Sometimes
each other
it's ping pong balls,
out,
sometimes it's
and
cake,
then we can
cups,
see
I was actually.
screaming, and it's
Just
wild and it's
chucking balls
exciting,
at
and
each other. It's gonna be
it's
super
crazy.
fun.
It's like you got all these kids screaming, and all the kids are going on.
What's Mr. Graham doing? What's going on? Are you okay, Mr. Graham?
Mr. Graham?
Mr. Graham?
Oh, sorry guys. I was just going to my quiet, safe place.
Quiet, safe place. What's that?
Well, so it's this great tool that we always have with us, and when we're on our screens all the time and there's always so much noise, sometimes you just have to go to somewhere that's quiet and feels safe where you can be alone with your thoughts, because it was getting really loud and I just couldn't quite keep my thoughts where they needed to be.
So how do you go to your quiet, safe place?
Well, your quiet, safe place is with you all the time, so all you need to do is try to find a quiet place. You can use your hands over your ears if you need to. I find that it helps if you close your eyes and focus about anywhere in the world that you would like to go that makes you feel safe and calm and you feel like you can be all by yourself. See? Just like that.
Wow.
Pretty
Here,
easy, huh?
Let me try.
Yeah, why don't you try? Whoa, nice. That looks like a really quiet place. Whoa, pretty cool, Mr. Stover. Classic, Mr. B. So you go to a place where you're all by yourself and you have complete control. Somewhere you maybe have been before, somewhere where you can imagine and make it wherever you want it to be, and you always have it with you. Anytime you want to go there, you can. Pretty cool, huh?
It is.
Thank you, Mr. Graham.
Thanks, Mr. Graham.
No problem. Feeling hungry, Mr. Silver?
I am so hungry right now. You can't wait.
Hi, Weddle Wolves. It's Ms. Lund. I am here to share a book with you today in honor of our amazing library media specialist, Miss B. Many of you know Miss B from the library last year and then this year helping out with music, and know that she passed away a couple of weeks ago. I really wanted to honor her by doing something special, and sharing a book was something that felt special to me, a book that really spoke to me about the kind of person that she was. She was a person that was kind and really believed in the power she had to impact the world. And so this book, I hope you enjoy it. It's called The Power of One. And I want you to look for something as I share this story. I want you to watch the plant. And I want you to see what happens to the plant throughout the story. Enjoy. The Power of One. Every Act of Kindness Counts by Trudy Ledwig, illustrated by Mike Carato. Sometimes one can feel like a small and lonely number, but don't let this little number fool you. One is a lot bigger and more powerful than you think. One, after all, is the starting point for change. One good listener can make even the smallest voice heard. One shy smile can lead to a friendship. One caring friend can open the door for several more. One sincere apology can help heal big and little hurts. One warm hug can lift our spirits up when we're feeling down. One thoughtful idea can bring a community together. One handful of seeds can sprout into a garden. One harvested garden can make a bountiful feast. Acts and words of kindness do count. And it all starts with one. Did you notice what happened in the story with the plant? It kept growing and growing. Something I'd like you to take away from this story is you can be that one. You can be the one that makes a difference in a kind word, in a kind action. It would be a great idea to start today. Do something that's kind today. Think about how that can impact another person. And think about Miss B, and I'm thinking about thanking her for letting me find this amazing book and celebrate the kindness that we all have in each one of us. Thank you. And have a great day, Weddle Wolves. Lots of love out to you. Bye-bye.